Today, I'm unveiling something truly groundbreaking. My Ferrari Speedster concept brought to life as a stunning animation. Using Seedance 2.0 with ElevenLabs narration, I transformed my design into motion, guided by Copilot's precision prompts to achieve the best possible results. This isn't just a showcase, it's a journey, from image to video, from vision to cinematic reality. So lean back, enjoy the ride, and let's push beyond boundaries together. Don't subscribe. Instead, hit that thumbs up, drop your comments, and share this video to help us break past the 1K milestone. Let's grow, create, and go beyond.